Rebuilding your love story. 15 proven strategies to fix a broken relationship and achieve lasting happiness. Broken relationships are never easy, and they can leave us feeling lost and hopeless. However, with some effort and dedication, it is possible to fix a broken relationship and live happily ever after. Here are some effective ways to do so. Number 1. Communication. Open and honest communication is essential for fixing a broken relationship. It's important to listen to your partner's perspective without interrupting or becoming defensive. Try to understand each other's point of view and find common ground. Effective communication can help you both work towards a solution that works for both of you. Number 2. Forgiveness. Forgiveness is important in any relationship. Holding grudges and keeping a scorecard of past wrongs can lead to resentment and conflict. Remember that everyone makes mistakes, and it's essential to learn from them and move on. Forgiveness can help create a stronger bond between you and your partner. Number 3. Quality time. Spending quality time together is essential for any healthy relationship. Plan date nights, take walks together, or simply enjoy each other's company without distractions. It's important to make an effort to show your partner that they are a priority in your life. Number 4. Respect. Respect is vital for a healthy relationship. Avoid belittling or criticizing each other, and instead, focus on building each other up. It's also important to respect each other's boundaries and give each other space when needed. Mutual respect can help create a stronger foundation for your relationship. Number 5. Patience. Fixing a broken relationship takes time and patience. It's important to give each other the time and space needed to heal and work through any issues. Don't rush the process or expect immediate results. Be patient and trust that things will improve over time. Number 6. Compromise. In any relationship, it's essential to compromise and find solutions that work for both partners. Be willing to make concessions and find common ground. Avoid being stubborn or refusing to budge on certain issues. Compromise can help create a more balanced and fair relationship. Number 7. Counseling. If you're struggling to fix your relationship on your own, consider seeking the help of a professional counselor. A trained therapist can help you and your partner work through any underlying issues and provide guidance on how to improve your relationship. Counseling can help create a safe space for communication and healing. Number 8. Love. Love is the foundation of any healthy relationship. Make an effort to show your love for each other every day, whether it's through small gestures or grand romantic gestures. Remember why you fell in love in the first place, and let that love guide you in fixing your relationship. Number 9. Gratitude. Expressing gratitude can help improve your mood and make your partner feel valued and loved. Even small gestures of gratitude, like saying thank you or leaving a note, can make a big difference. Gratitude can help create a more positive and loving atmosphere in your relationship. Number 10. Humor. Laughter is the best medicine, and it can also help improve your relationship. Try to find humor in everyday situations and make each other laugh. A good sense of humor can help you through difficult times and create a stronger bond. Number 11. Intimacy. Intimacy is an important part of any relationship. It's essential to make time for physical intimacy and emotional intimacy. Share your thoughts and feelings with each other and make an effort to connect on a deeper level. Touch, hugs, and kisses can also help improve your emotional bond. Number 12. Self-reflection. Take some time to reflect on your own behavior and patterns. Consider how your actions may have contributed to the breakdown of your relationship, and make an effort to change any negative habits. Self-reflection can help create a more self-aware and empathetic approach to your relationship. Number 13. Long-term goals. It's important to have long-term goals for your relationship. Discuss your future plans and aspirations with your partner, and work towards them together. Having a shared vision for your future can help create a stronger bond and give you both something to work towards. Number 14. Patience with yourself. Fixing a broken relationship can be hard work, and it's important to be patient with yourself as well. Don't be too hard on yourself or expect instant results. Remember that healing takes time and effort, but it's worth it in the end. Number 15. Rekindle old memories. Finally, try to rekindle old memories and create new ones. Spend time doing things you used to enjoy together, and create new traditions and experiences. This can help bring back feelings of love and happiness, and create a stronger bond between you. In addition to these, it's important to remember that every relationship is unique, and what works for one couple may not work for another. It's important to be open to trying new things and finding what works best for you and your partner. Also, keep in mind that fixing a broken relationship takes effort and commitment from both partners. It's essential to be willing to put in the time and work needed to heal and improve your relationship. With patience, communication, and a willingness to grow and change, you can create a stronger, more fulfilling relationship that lasts a lifetime. Remember that no relationship is perfect, and there will be ups and downs along the way. But with love, patience, and a commitment to growth and improvement, you and your partner can work through any challenges and live happily ever after.